Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussed Laravel 11 full course, and this part is a 111 filter based on join table in Laravel 11. And this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PHP. My admin inside this real estate underscore Laravel 11. This is my database name. Inside this is a list of table is available, and my project is available gem folder inside this htdoc direct, and this is a project. This project is already open. This is my Sublime text editor. Let's this project inside this command prompt open with cmd open this project directory inside this directory. Inside this is available this cmd. Let's php artisan server, php artisan server, and working fine. This is a URL, so copy and hit this browser. Successfully working fine, good working. Let's slash admin login. This is a admin login is available, good working. Let's pass admin @gmail.com. Password is 123456789, and click this login and not now. Successfully login, good. And this is a discount code. Click this discount code. Inside this filter is a implementation. This is a discount. This is a join query is a implementation. This is a previous video. Inside this filter is a implementation, and this is available discount table. And this is a join query is a user ID device. This is a join query is a implementation. This is a table name is available user table. Inside this 1 2 3 4 this is available this name. This one query is already implement this previous video. Check this previous video, there are lots of doubt to your mind. Let's step by step implementation. This is a filter bar. First of all, this file is open. This file, copy. This is a URL is a copy route inside web.php. Open route and web.php, and this is available this code. This is a line is available, good working. This is available. Let's dashboard discount controller open. Discount code controller inside this name function is available. Discount this is available app http controller and discount code controller. This function is available. Discount code same name. This is a, let's close this file. The same name is available discount code. This is the same name, good working. Let's discount code model. This is available model. This is already included discount code model. This model is available. Please check this previous video, otherwise lost of doubt is available this discount code table name. This is a table is available discount table, good. This is available. Let's open this admin discount list, resource view admin discount, and this is a list is available. Successfully available this list is a show, and this is a name is available. Let's insert this implementation search bar. Let's br tag is implementation br tag, and refresh this page. This is a implementation. Let's successfully share. Let's body inside this list, and this is a search bar is inside this available. Same here, copy, and this is a br remove, and this is a paste here. This paste here inside this is a implementation search bar. Please write down. This is a discount code, and this step by step inside this search bar. This discount code same here, copy this copy and paste here. Save file. This is ID is as it is. This is a name is available. This is a name. This is a user ID. This copy the same name is a user ID. Otherwise, this is a name is available user name. Same name is a copy. First ID copy, second name copy. Less name is a copy. Name, enter name, and this is a name. Successfully, this is a name is a set. Next is available discount code. This is the name is available. Discount code is available. This discount code. Step by step implementation discount code. discount code, and this is the name is the same name is a copy and paste here, and this is the name is the same name, copy discount reset link. Save file. Step by step write down. This is a write down step by step. All successfully set. Let's refresh this page, and this is the available this name, id, name. This is this same name is otherwise username. This name is a username. Username is available. Good. This is a id, first id, username, this discount code, and this is the name is available, this discount price. Less small size is the implementation. This is a 3 and 3, and last is the implementation. This is the name is the implementation 3 in this 2 and 4. This last is a 4. This 4 name in this name is available discount price. This is the price is a set, discount price, same name is a discount price. Save file and refresh this page. Good. This is the implementation. All is a good working. This is a fine. This is a click this reset, and this insert this reset. Successfully set. Good working. Please step by step insert this, write down. First of all, this is id and this id, second name and this name, the discount code and this discount code value, and this is discount price and discount price, and this is a return redirect, and this close this not used. Let's insert this implement. Oh, you already used this request is already used. First is a implement if is empty. This is a request. This is already available inside this same name is a request. This is a request name is a inside not model. This request inside this already included request get. First is a id available, same name is a id. This is an id is a available, name is a id. Good. Close this. $return, this $return is equal to $return where this table name is available, this table name dot id is equal to same name again copy. This is the same name is a copy and paste here. This page. Good working. Next this is a close. Next is a if condition is a implementation. If again this same copy and paste here. Next name is available. This is a name copy and paste here. This is a name. This is a name, but this name is available user table. This is a name. Oh no, this is my mistake. This same name copy and paste here, and this is a name is a set. Font small. This is a name, same name copy and paste here, name and name, and this is a table name is available user table. Inside this like query is a implement, otherwise not a working fine. Let's like dot percentage dot percentage. Save file. Successfully implementation. This is a name, same name is a copy and paste here. This is a paste here. This table name is available, discount code, and this paste here. Again this copy and paste. This is a name is a discount code, and this is a two name is available. First discount code, second discount price. Last is available discount price. Good. working. This is a very big. This is a remove inside this paste here. Discount. This is a my mistake. Some cut and paste here, and this cut and paste here. Successfully all set. Please write down step by step. First of all, this ID, name, code and price. Search bar is done. Let's refresh this page. This is not an issue. Inside this available 3 number. This is the field is available ID, discount code, and this is the table name. And this is all table name is available, and this is a join query. Inside this join query is available user ID. Less any doubt, so please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype is available. New project development, so please anytime contact. And this my channel, subscribe and click the bell icon. Let's refresh this page. Let's 2 number is enter, 2 number and search. Only 2 number is search. Please wait. This is the only 2 number is available. Less 4 number is a search, and this search 4 number successfully only 4 number is a show. Good working. Less this is a 999. This is a not available. This is the record is a null. Good working. This is a not available. Good working. Successfully set. Next is this is the name is a implementation. This name, let's this otherwise this admin people this search, and this admin people, and this is the admin people is a show. Good working. This only agent, less agent available. Only 2 agent is available, not a single record. Successfully this is a 2 agent is available. Good working. This is the fine. Next is available. This is this code is implementation code. Successfully code is a search. Only single code is a search. This is a fine. Let's inside this is the last filter is a implementation. After this is a video is a done. Please my channel, and this is a subscribe and click the bell icon. And last this is a implementation search, and this is only search. Please support me my channel. This is the only search. Good working. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Like this query. This is a query is available. Please step by step write down all. Good. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.